It is box time, and it is my favorite time because we have a goodie for our Mercedes AMG. Now, inside this box is a WeatherTech floor liner or like trunk liner for the back, and we will show you why you really need it. But before, let's open it up and you guys could actually see how it's delivered. All right, so it came rolled up. I think it'll unroll itself, but when we put it back there, you will literally see why you need one of these. Now, when you look behind the AMG, if you see right here, guys, we just have carpet, and that's not good because if you put anything back here, it's gonna mar the carpet, it's gonna indent it, and not only that, you're always cautious about that. With a liner, you're able to actually use your trunk the way you wanna use it. So let's try to install this bad boy. Now look at that, guys. Not only does it look a little more legit, but you could actually use it without you worrying about something. And I like that. Before, if you were gonna put something in there, it was just a little scary because you didn't want to hurt the back. But now, boom, you have something in there and it's got some grips where before it was just carpet and stuff would move around. So that's another added benefit. And what I like about WeatherTech is that it's laser made or laser like designed or whatever. But it is pretty cool because look, they even took into consideration the speaker, which is pretty cool. And I really like it. It actually makes the back look cool. Well guys, stay tuned for more videos. We have a ton more stuff we're doing to our AMG. We'll put the link for this WeatherTech floor mat. We're not sponsored. At the end of the day, we just want to make sure that you guys can get the best parts for your car.